Hi folks, welcome back. Hope you are doing well. So in this video I'm going to share with you the ICT bias, how you can simplify it without going to the higher time frame. Okay, higher time frame you can use for key levels like order block, fair value gap, inversions or liquidity, but where price can move you can only watch this thing on your sessions in a 15-minute time frame itself. Okay, so let's get started. Before I start this video, make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel, and I would like if you thumbs up. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, many of you ask me about the indicator for sessions. I am using these FX and Asian session range from Raw Minty. You can use this, and for setting I will give you the setting that I use. In inputs I didn't change anything. In styles, just copy this one. Okay, here are the colors for Asia, London and New York. You can put on what you like. Okay, and uncheck the all remain things. So here the simplified things are Asian range, London and New York. Okay, let me give you something theoretically, so you then we will go to the in the chart I will show you exactly. Okay, basically there are many things, many way to identify where price can go, but there is a 5 most of time you find in a market. So what is that? Most of the time, not always, most of the time you will see Asia consolidate, then London took lower high, okay, of one side, okay, and then New York expansion. Okay, most of the time you will see also this thing. Second, you will see Asia consolidate, London expand, okay, and then New York OT. Okay, here in the first scenario we understand that Asia consolidate, then low or high of Asia has been purged, and then New York expand to the opposite side of the purge. Okay, for second scenario we have Asia consolidate, London expand, and then New York OT. Then third scenario we have Asia consolidate, London also consolidate, and then New York took liquidity, purge of one side, and then reversal. Okay, number 4 we have Asia expansion, London consolidate and took liquidity in that consolidation of one side, and then New York reversal. Okay, another scenario, Asia and London both are consolidate, and then New York went one side far, and then in PM session reversal. Okay, there are the some most seeing examples in the chart. You can apply these in any of your market. I am applying this in US 100. You can use in Euro USD as well, and any asset class where you will see these sessions are there. So let me show you these examples in the chart so you will understand very well. So the main thing is always you journal the things which you don't understand and focus on it. Okay, so here we have a market also live, and you see that Asia is running on live market chart. So what happened here, if you can see, we have Asia also expansion, okay, London also expansion, isn't it? And then New York reversal at the PM session. Came to the key area. Here is the 4-hour order block. If you go, because I took the trade here, and also here is the 1-hour FVG where I took the sell trade also, buy trade and sell trade also. So one scenario, many of scenarios maybe you don't understand, but you have to back test. They write these 5. I told you 5. You also find this is the 6th one. Okay, no problem. You will write that and back test on it. You will understand on 15-minute time frame. You don't have to go to the higher time frame as it is. Okay. Asia expansion, London consolidate plus liquidity purge of Asia high, and New York open 50% liquidity, you know, here the liquidity 50% and then expansion to the downside. Same, consolidate, one side purged and then expansion. Here you can see also the SMTs also for more confirmation. Like if I went to here and here if you see this 930 didn't take the London high, but here US 500 took that 930 the high of the London session. Okay, so you will also eliminate the fake Judah swings. Like here you see in London is take and you think this will be OT and like this. So these you have to be watch simultaneously once you are trading. Okay, that's also the part you have to understand. Okay. And then we have consolidation of Asia, we have London consolidation, and then New York reversal, because purge is already happened. It's already tapped in some sort of liquidity FVG and then expansion. Many times you miss that trade as well, so that's the part of game, so let it go. Okay, here consolidate Asia, purge happen in theory opening right of these sweet lows, expansion in London and the OTE and expansion. Okay, expansion OTE to the upside will take the liquidity of the London session. Okay, this indicator also you don't have to mark every high and low. You can see as simply here in a 15-minute time frame itself. Here both are consolidate, London open, New York open and reversal, excuse me, in a PM session. Okay, expansion, consolidate, purged and reversal of New York, expansion, purge, consolidate and then continuation, consolidate, purged in London, accumulation, manipulation, distribution, accumulation, manipulation, distribution, accumulation, manipulation, distribution, accumulation, okay, manipulation in New York and distribution in the New York itself. Okay, accumulation, manipulation in New York and distribution in New York itself. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution, accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Okay, accumulation, manipulation in New York and distribution. Okay, accumulation, manipulation in open of New York, reversal, distribution, accumulation, manipulation and then New York PM distribution, accumulation, manipulation, New York distribution, accumulation, and then here will be you confuse also because it's in internal range from these high and these low. It doesn't take anything. If it took the high, then we say this is the manipulation and then it's distribute to the lower side. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. I hope you understand something on this video. It's very simple to identify bias on 15-minute. Is no need to go the higher time frame, mark daily open and like that. Higher time frame you can use for a liquidity and the order block. Okay, that will be a more high probability or blocks and FVGs, then a lower time frame. So you mark that one for key levels, and for where can price go, you can watch only in 15-minute 30-minute time frame itself. I hope you learned something from this video. Make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel, and if you don't have any a good platform, instant funding, cheapest one, I will give you the link in the description. They are very cheap. By $110 you can buy a 25k instant funding account, and have a very good rules and regulation. They will also pay out the person if you follow their rules. So until next time, be safe.